Hello children, Sai Ram. Welcome back to the online computer classes. Today we are going to learn an activity on Notepad. Okay. So before we start, just have an overlook of previous chapter. Okay children, take a quick preview of this chapter, what we learn. Okay. We learn the mouse has two buttons and a wheel. Mouse is used to move the pointer on the monitor or screen, which we called a mouse pointer. Then pressing down and releasing a mouse button is called clicking. Pressing the left mouse button two times quickly is called a double click. Then pressing the right mouse button and releasing it is called a right click. After that, dragging means pressing the left button and move the mouse till where you want to drag the object while keeping it pressed. Okay. Okay. Now children, uh, for doing this activity, you have to follow the given steps. Okay. So first steps is open the notepad window. Then type the given text in the notepad document. You have to write this text. Be a good friend to get a good friend. Okay. Then step 3 is click on the save button. Save the file on the desktop. After that, close the notepad window by clicking on the close button. Then step 5. Now clicking on the file, press and hold down the left mouse button and drag the file to the right. Release the mouse button. You will find that the file has moved to right. The step 5 is drag and drop. Okay. First we have to save that file on the desktop, and that file you have to drag one place to another place. Okay. For that, these are the steps to do this activity. So students, let's see practically how to do this activity. Okay. Okay children, let's see practically how to do this activity. Okay. For this, step 1, in the search box, see, in the search box write notepad. What you write? Notepad. N-O-T-E, notepad. Click on the notepad. You have to click double click. For open that notepad, you have to click double click. Okay. Here your notepad window is open. See, this is your notepad window. Understand children? Okay. Now step 2. Type the text. Which text you have to type? Be a good friend to get a good friend. Okay. Like this you have to type the text. Good friend, like this. Okay. Then after finishing this typing work, you have to follow the step 3. Click on the file menu. Click on the save as. You have saved this file on the desktop. For that you have to click on desktop. See here, desktop. Okay. Then give the file name. You have to write here file name. File name should be standard 1. Okay. And click on save button like this. Okay. So here your file is saved. Now step 4. Now we have to close the notepad window. For this, click on the close close button like this. Okay. Here your notepad window is closed now. Understand, children? Now we have to follow step 5. Now children, see your file is on your desktop. You have to drag this file to the right side. See, here's your file. You can see your file on desktop. Here. This file you have to shift on the right side. For that, press and hold the file down the left mouse button and drag the file to the right side like this. Okay, the file to the right side. You will find that the file has moved to the right side. Got, children? Okay, like this you have to use drag and drop option for moving the file. Okay, student? So here your activity is over now. Understand? Okay, children. I hope you understand this activity. Please, children, try this activity at your home. Okay? So, thank you and Sai Ram.